got some sun, baby, it's time to go.
Hi everybody, welcome to Morong and Island Waters Resort. We're gonna spend a couple of nights here and just hang out a little bit and try to relax, try to have some fun, try to do some vlogging. And we've been in Morong. We have done maybe 1 or 2 vlogs from here in the past, maybe a year ago, but we're gonna make an effort this time to vlog the whole town a little bit. And we have also hooked up with another vlogger.
Yeah.
And
you will see it.
Yeah, you'll find out.
Yeah, you'll find out
who they are.
Yeah.
But we decided to go down together and just hang out and drive. The drive took us over Mount Summit and in here, which is a beautiful ride. I really I like that road.
Which one?
Over Mount Summit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we have gone the other route before. You can go through Subic and Olongapo to come back, or go in as well. I think, matter of fact, that is maybe a little shorter trip, but this ride is so different because it takes you through the mountains and it is pretty cool. So now we're going to start the vlogging today, and what we're going to do now is get out and get on the bike a little bit. We're going to drive a little bit around the resort areas. Morong has a lot of resorts. Some people says it's like an upcoming Boracay in Luzon.
Little Boracay.
In Little Boracay, but you know, one of the things is you go down to Subic and hanging out in Subic, the water is kind of dirty and not too what do you call it? Appetizing to jump in the water there. But here in Morong is absolutely crystal clear. The sand is beautiful. You know, it's not white sand.
It's not white. It's
but
gray, black, gray.
Yeah, like grayish, but it's
very fine.
Very fine, very soft, and it is a lot of fun to do it.
Yeah.
So anyway, we are here at the resort, and right now we're gonna go on a little ride. So come on and ride with us. For a few minutes, we're going in through the resort, some of the resort areas, and then back into Morong, where we're going to do some other vlogging.
Yeah.
So over the next few days, we'll put out some videos from there, and just come on with us.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So. For those of you who haven't been to Morong Beach, this is the access road to the majority of the hotels around the beach here. And the community has a school here, Batuan Elementary, and they have a few other things here. So. All right, here is the other vlogger we talk about, and we're heading up towards Morong, and we're going to do a little ride on the beach side. All these communities and buildings here are pretty much right on the beach or on the beach side. Some of these alleys you walk down in and you get to the beach in a couple, 3 minutes. So it's a pretty nice community. But we're heading up towards the what do you call it, resort areas where we discovered last trip. I recorded a few things, and somehow I had trouble with the camera, and I'm redoing this vlog here, so you can see some of the stuff going on. Yeah, the road is sometimes a little off. You can't see them, but here we have, what did you say? Bonito Hotel. That is one of them. What?
This one is PP Hotel Resort.
All right, PP Hotel Resort. So there are several resorts here. I've been talking about the area before 5 years ago. A lot of these lots were empty, and over the last 5 years they've been sold and resorts are coming up. Like the Bonito Hotel is actually a second resort. Right ahead of us we have another one coming up.
The other one is Bonito one, right?
Yeah, I think so. So here they're constructing another resort, and to the left there is the beach. If you, it's a little hill here, so you can't really see it, but it's a beautiful area though. We've been walking the beach sometime. I probably will put up another beach walk vlog, and so you can, or we can share this with you. Anyway, this area has become a popular destination for those who actually live in the Manila, Makati, and Bulacan area. Almost every single weekend these places are sold out, and especially around high peak season it is almost next to impossible and get a room up here. Anyway, I mentioned that there is a lot of resorts on this beach here, and just to mention a few, you have Sunset View Resort, Bonito Beach. Bonito Beach has a number 2, and then you have PP Beach Resort and Hotel, Alpina, Avel, Aqua, and right now we're up on the river bridge and going into the actual town, and we'll probably I'm gonna stop here and do some vlogging and figure things out. All right, a little bit general information about Morong municipality. The city has like 5 different barangays, and there is about 30,000 people living here, I believe, and I think that was 2016 or 15 census. So around in that neighborhood. All right, we have arrived in Morong, and can we park here for a few minutes? Can we park here for a few minutes? Because we're just going to vlog a little bit. We're bloggers. Okay. All right, guys. We are smack in the middle. What you see over there is the municipality, city hall, police station. And here we got our travel partners. vloggers hard at work. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again